We start with Serere today, Ngora and Kumi, delivering a strong message to the people of Teso who have been subject of dejection, who have been robbed to the bone marrow, and who live a destitute life. I represent the downtrodden people of this country. And if you want the people from this region, the Greater North, qualify to be referred to as the most disadvantaged and downtrodden people of our society. And so I'm going to be a strong voice for these people, because I do understand what they go through on a day-to-day basis. This election is about life and death. It's not a joking matter. And so we expect the Electoral Commission to dispense justice, to dispense fairness to the people of Uganda, and to desist from operating as if they're operating from the back pocket of Mr. Museveni. I thank you very much.